But it's almost like when people think about SEO, they always go for the regional keywords. They're always like, yeah, I want to be ranked one for Hampshire. I want to be ranked one, but it's like a lot of the money's, like you said, is in those villages with a small population where no one's competing for it, so they get ranked there quickly. Solely UK is a good example because although we've ranked him number one for Hertfordshire, he gets most of his inquiries through the location pages
St
for the smaller
Albans,
towns and
I
villages.
think, has generated more than, and it's annoying too because Google will tell you that those county keywords have 600 searches a month. You rank number one and you get, I don't know, 15 leads a month from that keyword. You think, hang on a minute, I've spent all this money to get on this one big keyword. Whereas if you did 5 medium-sized sort of areas and villages, you get, I don't know, per page 5 or 6 leads a month. They're all higher average order value. They're really local. You know, it's start night and day. So there are that probably ego keywords is what I'd say.
Ego keywords,
Yeah,
I like
they're
that.
good to brag about.
Yeah, they're good to
Like,
brag
they are
about.
good to brag about, but you'd find that a lot of your specialised individual location pages, blogs, are sort of your money makers.
Yeah.